or surrealism. This is what surrealism is. You know, Salvador Dali exemplified this. You juxtapose the subconscious and the dream state, right? And so you have this. So you merge this incongruity, you juxtapose them, and then out when it cohesive and creates what you call something that's surrealistic, right? But then paradoxes is based on contradictory ambiguity, deals with indecisiveness. You know, we see that in abstract visual art, where the art may have ambiguous interpretations, multiple interpretations. And because we have the wave-particle duality in light, it means that the wave-particle duality in light,
different controversies, conspiracies, speculations, I can determine, I don't know in that sense.
So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now, the juxtaposition of incongruity is the whole process of merging this incompatibility into some sort of cohesive phenomenon. So it's supposed to be contrast, but when you juxtapose them, there's a cohesiveness to this polarity. They become one, right? They might be polarity, coexisting polarity, or coexisting contrast, or contradictory, like the wave medium. So we have